Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing the Vatayanasana or the horse pose. This pose helps in strengthening the leg muscles and the knee joints. It also helps in improving the blood circulation in the hip area. Now this is a slightly advanced pose, so I would suggest you warm up properly before trying it out. You can do a few rounds of Surya Namaskar, followed by some preparatory poses like the lizard pose, Malasana and Padmasana. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Sit on the floor. Place the right foot at the top of the left thigh in half Padmasana. Place your hands on the floor by the side of the hips. Then raise the trunk off the floor and place the top of the right knee on the mat. Bring the hands in front for support and then place the left foot as near as the bent right knee. Ideally, the heel of the left foot should be right next to the right knee. However, I am not able to do that, so I've placed my foot slightly away. Now push the left foot firmly into the mat and raise the torso up, pushing the pelvis forward and straighten your back to balance the body. Once you find your balance, raise the arms and bring them to chest level. Bring the left elbow over the right elbow and interlace the forearms to bring the palms together as an eagle pose. Concentrate on a point in front and stay here for 3 breaths. Then slowly release the hands and sit back on the floor. Let us repeat this for the other side. Place the left foot on top of the right thigh. Taking support of the hands, raise the trunk off the floor and place the left knee on the mat. Then bring the right foot as near the left knee as possible. Slowly raise your body up and find your balance. Bring the arms to eagle arms. Balance here in Vatayanasana for 3 breaths. Slowly release and come down on the mat. This was Vatayanasana or the horse pose as taught in the Light on Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos every week. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.